what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I work too hard, no mind. We come so far, cover these scars in time.
Fishy big speckled speckled a good pain.
Chips and breast, not chips and breast.
Chips and pear.
Chips and pain. Hello.
Hello guys.
Yes, we're back, guys.
Yeah,
Busy day.
busy day. We are back. We just wanna open the vlog properly.
Yes.
We're
And
sorry guys, this is how we do our vlogs. We're very sorry to open them late.
late.
Yeah, so we just wanna open the vlog properly and say hi guys.
It's evening now.
Yeah,
Sabella's last show.
it's evening. Yeah. Yeah guys, evening guys. Yeah, we just wanna come open the vlog properly and thank our subscribers. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
10k, over 10k
Thank you,
guys.
We really
We're not gonna
appreciate
stop thanking you guys, because it's all because of you guys.
Exactly.
We really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
And
yeah.
later on the video we'll like a contribution, because we're planning a giveaway.
Yeah, from you
But
guys.
later we'll talk more later on the video about it. We're just gonna show the things that we bought
Today, as
yeah.
we were busy, we were busy sorting out our things for our next travel vlog. But we bought our things for home as well.
Yeah, we couldn't help it.
Yeah. So
We bought
and also
from at home.
yeah, we also
We're gonna
have
start
shout
it.
outs.
Next the prize or at home, you wanna start?
I think I'll start by the at home.
Okay, and we have a shout out guys for some people and one that we met today. Yeah, one we met at Macro.
Yes.
Which
Name
was
is
Desmond.
Yeah.
Desmond and your wife.
And your wife. You saw the selfie already.
Yeah.
Sorry, it wasn't you.
Yeah. So yeah, shout out to them guys. Very lovely people. And Gerald. Yeah, it's Gerald.
Gerald.
Yeah,
Yes.
Gerald and Helton.
Yes,
Shout
on the
out,
comments.
guys.
Yes.
Yeah, on the comment, they left a comment, guys. Shout out. And we're saying
hello.
Ebo. Yeah, guys. So these are the things that we bought today.
Yeah. For our snacks.
Next one.
Yeah.
Next one. We just want to make this one quick, guys, because we want to talk about the giveaway.
We bought
truly want to talk about the giveaway.
We bought a bigger one today.
It was 25% off.
Yeah, 25% off.
Yeah.
So it was 600, 25% off. Yeah.
And we bought a chair, our office chair at Macro as well. It's right there, guys. Unfortunately, it's too big. It won't fit on the camera.
Yeah, but yeah. It's one of those. We'll show it on the vlog. We put the vlog where we were testing them.
Yeah. So another things from Mix the Price.
Yes. We bought these for our balcony.
Yeah. I'm tired. I'm tired.
You wanna relax?
Papa, I'm tired. My head hurts there at the bed.
I hope you see the price,
if
guys.
I want to take
This was a bargain.
It was.
We couldn't leave it. It was a bargain.
It was.
So we bought 2 of them, same color.
Yeah. So if I want to take a nap, I can easily do it outside. Cause there outside it's refreshing to sit outside.
Yeah. And we bought this for our decor.
Yeah. I think that one was on special as well.
100 rand.
It was 100 rand. Hey, Mix the Price, they have a lot of specials.
Yeah.
So be prepared, guys, if you're going there at Mix the Price. Be prepared.
Yeah, they were having our special red text.
Yeah. Be prepared that your pockets will really be damaged. Because you'll end up buying stuff that you weren't meant to.
Yeah. That we couldn't leave it.
Yeah.
And the price, this was 170. I think we'll put this in our other speaker because we have the sets in the other one.
It looks empty.
Yeah, it looks empty. Other one. And we couldn't leave this.
Sorry guys, we had a long day.
Yeah.
I hope you don't mind.
Yeah.
It's the platter that we bought at Ocean Basket.
It's OB. OB. This was 20 rand, guys. Cheap. So that's all. And then I bought my earrings here. 3 for 150.
3 for 150.
Yeah, they were 3 for 150. Been so long I haven't bought in that store. That normally was my favorite store to buy.
So buy bling bling.
Yes, I like this one. Nice and simple. And what do you want to talk about with the giveaway?
About the giveaway, guys, for the giveaway, we would really like your inputs on the comment. On the comment below. You can just comment below, guys, on the giveaway, your ideas. But your ideas need to accommodate shipping as well, because we really want to open it to everyone. We don't want to say just South Africa only. We just want to keep it open. So your ideas, please make them to accommodate shipping, so it doesn't become like a huge price like the one that happened the last time, where we ended up had to give money instead of the giveaway, which was packaged beautifully. It was really sad that we couldn't send it to the winner.
Yes, it was
the winner was Nomsi.
Yeah.
Yes. We was very saddened by that. So we learned from that it should be like something not huge. Something that's not going to cost a lot if it happens that a winner is outside of South Africa. So we will really like your contribution on the comment below. Just leave a comment, suggestions please, for the giveaway for 10K.
Yes, guys. And also the name that you want us to call you. I'm sure you're tired of guys.
I think we mentioned it there.
I'm sure you're tired of guys. So guys, please also give us a name.
For the channel.
We only have one name, which is Syanto Travelers. Yeah.
We received that name when we asked the last time. That's what name would you prefer for us to call you all?
Yeah.
The name that we received was Syanto Travelers. So far, that's the name that stands.
So we want a variety, so you can vote for which one you all like.
So once we have a variety, we'll go to community charts and then we'll vote which one everyone prefer. I think we want to do it like that.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So guys, I think that's it for today. We close the vlog here today and just
finish our thingy.
Yeah, finish our feast here. I don't think we're gonna finish it all, but tomorrow is another day.
I will finish
so
all.
We'll see you all tomorrow, guys, when we are
we'll finish all.
Aye, okay. Uyazazi madla ubathanda ukudla. So guys, we'll see you all tomorrow when we're going to prepare for our upcoming camping video, which will be at Salt Rock. We've been wanting to go to the place
so long.
For some time now.
Yeah.
Because
during peak hours it's expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive for
now
camping.
It's not peak hours.
For camping, it's truly expensive. So tomorrow we'll see you all when we're doing our prep.
Yeah, and I also need to do my hair. I look like I was supposed to do it today, but we were busy, guys. Yeah, so
we thought we wanna finish
early,
and we end up leaving the mall at night. We were shocked ourselves. You know, you can't tell time when you're in the mall. Everything is the same.
Exactly.
When it gets dark, all the lights comes on, so you don't see whether it's night
dark
or day.
Outside. Yeah.
So you only can tell when you look at the time.
Yeah.
So guys, we'll close it here today. We'll see you all tomorrow, and we're doing our prep for the the camping.
The camping.
Yeah, we're going for camping tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Before you forgot my worth. For Shut the skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven. Made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when. Before you forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Mine.
You did book ticket.
Yeah, booked and paid already.
Wait, them?
Siyabonga Dlamini.
Okay.
Yeah.
A5.
A5, yeah.
The A5, you know, more, yeah? That's
I
it.
think we're ready
Gonna
for
organize.
it. We're ready for it.
Alright.
Yeah, sure.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I